Does your day feel like it's out of control? You are in a rush to finish your task, but there is something missing. You keep on searching your files, but you cannot find it? Well, you're not alone. Managing time effectively is the key to staying organized and stress-free. Hi everyone. Welcome to Rennie's Organized Vibe, where we will help you simplify your life, both at home and work. My name is Rennie. I am a Forex trader, plant lover, creative design enthusiast, and a homemaker. Today, we will embark to taking control of your life. I will share to you the 7 powerful strategies to take control of your time, just right after this. Strategy number 1. Assess how you spend your time. Take a moment to look at how you are spending your time. You can do this by tracking your daily activities for a week. Sometimes we never realize that we are losing 2 hours of our time spent on social media. I am guilty of this also. Imagine what we have achieved with that time lost. To do this activity, just simply list down on a sheet of paper all your daily activities within 24 hours. Write down everything from waking up down to your evening routine and sleeping. List down everything what you do on a daily basis. The next column, write an estimated time allotted for each activity. Then on the succeeding columns, you must write day 1, day 2 until day 7. For a week, you will monitor how much time you spend to each activity and write the actual number of hours. Once the week is over, use that data for your self-assessment. Later on, you might be surprised at what you'll find. This is a sample sheet of the time assessment exercise. You can customize your own that fits to your style and daily routine. The purpose of this is to identify what areas of your daily activities where time is wasted or inefficiently used. Next, prioritize your tasks. Strategy number 2 is focus on what truly matters. Run down your to-do list tasks. You may ask yourself, is this urgent and important? Or, is this something I can delay or delegate to someone else? Do not bombard yourself of doing everything what is on the list, but learn to prioritize what truly matters. Well, if you have an extra time, then you can add some tasks. Setting clear, achievable goals is crucial. Break big tasks into smaller, manageable steps. So, strategy number 3 is set clear, achievable goals. Say, if you have one big project, break it to a number of pieces and set the timeline on every piece of the task. Sometimes we overestimated ourselves. We thought that the project is too small, that the amount of time allotted is too short to achieve it. But in the end, we missed finishing it on time. So you must be clear with your objective, set goal that is measurable and achievable. Strategy number 4 in taking control of your life is allocate dedicated time blocks. Here, you must consider time blocking. Schedule specific time of every task to avoid distractions. This is your daily routine schedule that you strictly follows. Make it a daily habit that the block time you have set is strictly adhered of. More so, the members of the family must be aware of this also. Remember, you don't have to do it all. Delegating tasks can lighten your load. So, strategy number 5 is delegate tasks to lighten your load. Those administrative tasks that easily can be done by someone else, might as well delegate it. By delegating routine tasks, you have more time to focus on what really matters to you. Flexibility is key. Sometimes plans change, and that's okay. Hence, strategy number 6 is stay adaptable to changes. Adversity is inevitable. There will be no perfect plan. Be flexible to any changes and embrace it. When things don't go as planned, adjust your schedule and keep moving forward. Finally, strategy number 7 is to make it a habit to review and adjust your daily plan. This helps you stay on track and be prepared for the day ahead. The fact is, changes is unavoidable, so you must adapt to it quickly. Hence, it is necessary that at the end of the day, you must take a look of your schedule or planner to check on any changes, then update it right away. With these time management strategies, you can take control of your time, reduce stress, and live a more organized life. Subscribe for more tips on living an organized life. Watch out for the next episode.